So, you want to know what a whiskey sour tastes like? It was a little bit more bitter, a little bit more Mexican, it has some smoke.
It's like a smoky egg. Watch it.
Speaking of weird eggs, Ian's got some comments for this one, so stay tuned. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan and Ian and I are going to make a cocktail for you that has a mezcal in it. It's called...
Smoke Show.
The Smoke Show. Makes sense, right? So, the Smoke Show, I'm going to give you the breakdown, and then I'm going to get crazy on you. So, it's going to be 1.5 ounces of mezcal, 1/4 ounce of Cynar, 1/4 ounce of green Chartreuse.
I'll do that.
Sorry. 1/2 ounce.
I'll get you some.
Wait,
You
already used that mezcal?
1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. We're going to use Derrick because we have it, and an egg white. What?
Didn't you already use that mezcal?
Yeah, we just did.
So use a different one.
All right, let's use a different one.
Not that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's use this one.
This is Hikaru.
See, this is the problem when you have too many options.
I have.
You have
I
so
also
many
have this.
mezcals that we're
Leanda.
getting yelled at which one we should use.
Yeah. I got Leanda too. We should use that one. We get this Ricea we haven't played with yet.
We haven't even played with. We'll do that in the next one.
All right. The executive producer, Solomon. Woo! He's back. He's one of my longtime patrons that's coming back. Mr. Dirty Beans. He is. You can go to patreon.com/CMC if you want to hang out with the rest of the crew that donates every month to Combat Cocktails. Otherwise, you can just go to everydaydrinkers.com/tip and leave us a tip.
Did he go through the whole list of what's in this drink?
No. Yes, I did. Yeah,
I stopped listening to him.
Yeah, he did.
I did when you were like going to get egg white cleaning
Alright.
and stuff.
Just making sure.
John Spike submitted this recipe. I found it, or he found it, or I googled it. I can't remember at liquor.com. Because some people submit them, and I go look for where the sources are, so I can at least say where they came from. You're gonna pour all the ingredients into a shaker, dry shake. Excuse me, with ice into a chilled coupe glass. Chilled coupe glass. That's what you do here.
Chilled.
Is you put ice and water in it so it gets cold. That way you're not putting it into a lukewarm glass. Because this drink, once you shake it, you want it to last a little while. It's not really for us. It's like 5 seconds.
Holds that
Yeah.
egg.
What?
We'll find out, I guess.
What's wrong with the egg?
How old's that? That
It's
sounds
brand new.
That sounds awesome.
Yeah, it just has a weird.
It's new.
It has weird properties, so it may have.
Properties. It's not that old.
Okay.
Eggs don't last right
Eggs
here.
don't last long enough to be old.
Nothing sounds better than how old is that egg?
Yeah.
Eggs can last a long time before they
Hey, that smoke show? That egg is fresh.
So you're gonna dry shake it. What Ian's doing, he's gonna spend 15 seconds or so
That's because
emulsifying.
it's a cage-free egg, Ian.
It's cage
yeah.
free.
Probably not used to seeing
That,
it.
it's an
That's
organic
why it looks like
egg.
sperm when you put it with a bunch of other
That's
stuff.
right.
Yeah, it's organic.
I don't know what. I don't know what type of egg that looks like sperm when you're doing something with it, but
Not sperm.
It came out of a
Just
chicken's
jizz.
butt that can run around a field.
That's right.
Hundreds of acres. Hundreds of acres.
hundreds of
That
acres.
fucking chicken's so free, they almost couldn't get the egg from it.
Yeah. They had to chase the chicken down.
Thank God it has a house.
Cage-free chickens get like an hour outside every day.
Like,
If
it's like
they're
prison.
lucky. Yeah, it's like prison. But they're cage-free prisoners. You go cage-free
Oh, did
eggs.
you want
It's
to
not
pour
as
it over there?
cage-free as you would have thought. So,
Hold on.
don't you motherfucking do that!
Wow, you swore.
Oh my god!
You swore like a trucker.
Really?
Jesus.
I didn't even use the word chilled this
My
time.
fucking ears are bleeding.
What? You're scaring me with all this. What is that? What is this? It's flavor additives.
Now you're sticking your hands
Well, you
in
drink
it
it
and
then.
shit.
Yeah, is there something floating in it?
And it was
Not
just
anymore.
like
No.
Not anymore.
a
all
cinnamon
good.
stick or something.
Yeah.
There was finger in there for a minute.
Yeah.
It's okay.
No finger in the drinks before we
I took a shower.
partake.
Took a shower a couple days ago.
Yeah.
I have a video
I
right
was a
here
Comic-Con all day. It's fine.
That's.
Yeah, I touched everything.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
on dry
You didn't
shaking.
go fingering through the comics, did you?
Every single one.
Oh, God damn it.
So I'm not even gonna explain to you the concept of dry shaking completely because I showed you a video for it.
It's over there in the corner.
Yeah, you
or it's
don't-
down there.
You don't need us to
Or
do
it's
that.
over to the side.
You don't want to hear that right now. You
like
just want
eggnog.
us to enjoy it. Wow, this is really. It looks
It
like.
does.
We made a drink last month like
Looks
this.
thick.
Take a sip. Tastes like butter. Yeah, I'm not dead.
The egg is not.
Not bad. Because Jennifer would be dead by now.
I would.
She says all the time. Well, you got the
Jen eats an
center
egg
food
every
thing.
morning.
I do. I'm laying down and I'm reading the feed.
That's a good drink.
Derek eats one every month.
What?
Nothing. It's not bad.
No. Oh my God,
Thanks,
Steven,
Jen.
you're gonna kill me. I'm gonna warm up my hand. So, what I was gonna say.
Oh, maybe we can do something else because somebody didn't like the slapping, so maybe we can do something.
Somebody
else.
didn't like the slapping?
They suggested
Oh yeah, no, we're not doing that.
What do they suggest?
French kissing.
Oh my
Oh
god!
my god, that's awesome. You guys do it behind me.
You
Go.
guys are too close. You
Go.
guys do it.
Let's explain the drink, and then we'll figure out how we're gonna reward our viewers that doesn't involve man kissing
Finger banging?
Dirty
or
comics.
finger banging.
No finger banging?
No assholes are being touched. Nothing like that. So this drink has egg white, so it's gonna be dry.
It's really good.
Every egg white
It's-
drink we seem to do has lemon in it, not lime.
It's a good amount of smoke in there.
Yeah.
Must be something good about that acid interaction with
Yeah, with the lemon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it must be not the malic acid, but the citric acid that plays better with the foam. There is some bitterness.
Absorbic acid, maybe. The hydrochloric acid in there maybe helps out a little bit.
A little hydrochloric.
Yeah, or hydrofluoric or whatever.
How about some?
Hydrochloric.
Doesn't hydrochloric burn you? Yeah.
I'm just gonna drink the rest of this.
Yeah, but you can drink it.
It's in your stomach already, so.
So why not add more? So what do you,
Helps you
what do
digest
you
more.
get out of it? You get the smoky,
You get
not
You say no, it's
sweet.
not.
What?
You say no, it's not.
So it
No,
takes your
that's
skin.
what takes
You get a little bitterness.
That's the kind that takes your skin off.
bitterness, bitter,
Bitter, yeah.
herbal.
Herbal,
Yeah.
The monks.
No honey in this one. I've been told either from Steven or somebody that the yellow chartreuse has honey. I just bought this because there's two drinks that need this. This is expensive shit.
It is.
$65 or so for this at the New Hampshire liquor store.
Thank God you don't use it by the ounce. You use it by a half, quarter ounce and stuff. So.
So there's this one. And if you don't have that, I would suggest using yellow because $65 is a lot for monk jizz or whatever.
Yeah.
So
Every monk liqueur is expensive.
I know it's the
That's
friggin'
good.
monks. They that's how come they've been in business for 700 years because it costs so much. But it adds that
No, it's
herbal.
because they don't talk to each other while they're making it.
It's probably true. I don't know if that's always the case though,
Yeah, that's
Not
why
that-
the production is so much easier.
because nobody has to bitch at each
Yeah,
other.
nobody like talks to each other.
So should it be more optimized and efficient?
Exactly.
So why do we pay more?
For optimization.
Yeah.
Because of the old school methods.
Exactly.
The old school methods. So there's a lot of old school methods. Even this is old school method. I don't know. I'm not. This is cheaper. This is what's this? This is Cynar or whatever. This mezcal cost me $27. I bought it at the same time as I bought the $64 bottle. This is I don't know how much Cynar is, but if
It's
you
like
have
27 bucks at least.
Cynar, yeah, bitter aperitifs are typically
Yeah.
they're in the 30 plus range. I don't know if they get to 60, but
This is a more sophisticated mezcal drink.
you think, yeah,
Yes.
it's like a whiskey sour, but with mezcal in it. Right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's got like all the properties of whiskey sour. The only difference is
It's a Boston Center.
it's a Boston sour. Since I've been
Well, it's
crazy.
got that bitterness though, because I mean,
Yeah, it's a
a
little
whiskey
bitter
sour doesn't have
also.
that bitterness.
But it's mezcal, so it's a lol sour.
Oh my god, there's
You have to reach for that one.
Bad reach. I'm like, where's the Mexican bar?
so to subscribe.
Getting better.
There's a button down there. You can subscribe. If you click on the bell icon, you'll get more of this weird ass shit every Thursday at
But
7
you'll love
p.m.
it.
Yeah, because they always do. Coupon codes Mezcal. If you want to go to awesomedrinks.com, save what is it? 18% off, and all the stuff at
This month
awesomedrinks.com.
only.
This month only.
Through September 30th.
Yeah, we have simple syrups, we have your bitters, we have all the stuff you would
Just
need
do
to
it.
make a cocktail. Cocktail and Sons products, awesome. Just saying. That's it, my friend. Sidebar. We got a lot of videos to plow through, so we're gonna get moving. This is the sidebar. It's got mezcal on top, tequila on the bottom. It's the Mexican mullet.
Do it.
That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.